Have you ever wondered why your TensorBoard isn't showing memory usage per node like you've seen in other screenshots? It's a common issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to analyze your model's performance and you don't have all the data you need. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked why they never see memory usage per node in their TensorBoard, even after calling the file writer. They want to know if there are additional summaries needed to record memory usage. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be the reason behind this? TensorBoard requires specific summaries to track memory usage. If those summaries aren't included in your code, you won't see the memory metrics you're looking for. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can enhance your TensorBoard experience even further. To display per-node memory in TensorBoard, the user first needs to ensure that they are logging the appropriate summaries during their TensorFlow session. Next, the user should create a summary for memory usage. This can be done by adding a summary operation to their TensorFlow graph. After creating the summary, the user must ensure that they run the summary operation during their session. This is crucial for capturing the memory data. Finally, the user should launch TensorBoard and point it to the directory where the summaries are saved. This will allow them to visualize the memory usage per node. Fun fact, did you know that TensorBoard was originally created to help visualize machine learning experiments? It's come a long way since then, and now it can help you track memory usage too. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. To display per-node memory in TensorBoard, you can enhance your session run with additional options. This user suggests adding run options and run metadata to your code. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach shared by another user involves adjusting the TensorBoard settings. They suggest that you may have already set up the necessary code for displaying memory and time, but you need to change the Sessions Runs drop-down menu in the TensorBoard GUI. By selecting an option other than None, you can make the memory usage visible. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach to display per-node memory in TensorBoard involves using TensorFlow's run options and run metadata. First, you set the trace level to full trace. Then, within a TensorFlow session, you create a file writer for your graph. During your run iterations, you execute your session run with these options and metadata. Finally, you add the run metadata to the file writer for each iteration. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check your TensorBoard summaries to ensure you're capturing all the necessary metrics. This habit can save you a lot of troubleshooting time in the future. And there you have it. With the right summaries in place, you should now be able to see memory usage per node in TensorBoard. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more TensorFlow insights.